Good one, Barely. That's really good. This is the best one.
Favorite, though. I think I've written my voice. It's obviously the monkey. Hope you don't mind us.
No problem. You guys are having too much fun.
You have to do it just to the monkey, Ray.
Oh God! They're gonna call the cops.
Oh, here's one.
Yeah, that's a good one. I like that one. That's a clever idea. I think that would really go good down there. Wasn't that with my Budweiser?
Your Budweiser,
And
cup you have that says Budweiser.
Yeah.
Can I get an instant replay on that last
Yeah. Wasn't that cool? All right.
Hear it again though.
Here we are.